If you think about what governments do, they provide for secure borders. That's their number one challenge. There are many global threats facing the president of the future. One certainly continues to be nuclear weapons, and we can't look past this. And of course, front of mind is Russia and what our relationship with Russia is. We also have North Korea, a very inscrutable leadership country. It's very unpredictable. It's very difficult to say what they would do. But I think there's some other really pressing threats. The Middle East and the refugee crisis that's created. If the European Union can't get control of its borders, that will be an existential issue. If you think about what governments do, they provide for secure borders. That's their number one challenge, and then security of their people. If European governments if they're seen as not securing their borders, then what does that mean for their ability to rule their countries? If Europe cannot control its borders, if it is being seen as overrun by refugees, if the Middle East continues to get worse, Europe gets existentially challenged. And that is a big issue for the United States, because obviously Europe is an anchor for democracy, for economy, for liberal governance. If they can't solve their problems, that will then have serious knock-on effects for the United States.